Naming of coordination compound. Naming of coordination compound, at first we have to consider the charge. Charge of what? Sphere. Charge of sphere and charge of element which satisfies the primary valency. Now, what is primary valency and what is secondary valency in case of K3 FeCN whole 6? 6. This 6 is coordination number is called secondary valency, and here K plus and 3 minus, this 3 minus is primary valency. Now, if the sphere is negative and the outer element is positive, then positive element which comes at first. In case of K3 FeCN 6, K is positive here, so in the name of compound will start with potassium. Coordination sphere. But naming of coordination sphere, central atom will comes at the end, and name of ligands will comes in alphabetical order. Now name of ligand will be different for cationic, anionic and neutral ligand. Now in the number of ligand, if the number of ligand is 2, then we added the term notation di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, go on. Name of ligand, how will we do the naming of ligand? In naming of ligand, at the end of anionic ligand, O is added. If in the end De, then De will be Do. And in cationic and neutral ligand, no modification is needed. Except some exception are present there, except H2. If H2 is present, we will say it aqua. If NH2, amino is CO2, it is carbonyl, like that. CO2, sorry, CO. Now, coordination entities are two types: anionic coordination entity and cationic coordination entity. If FeCN whole 6, if I dissociate this, we will get K plus and FeCN whole 6 3 minus. Here the coordination entity is 3 minus, that is anionic entity. So if the coordination entity is anionic, then at the end of the coordination entity there will be 8 ATE term will be added. Now in the naming, as example, K3 FeCN whole 6, K is positive, so potassium will becomes at the beginning. Here central element is Fe, so name of Fe will becomes at the end. Ligand is Cn, that is cyanide. Now in case of anionic ligand, cyanide, IDE, so it will be IDO. So it will be cyanido. A number of ligand is 6, that is hexa. So the name is, okay, now the name is potassium hexacyanoferrate 3 minus. 3 minus is the oxidation number. Here X plus 0, that is 3 minus. So X plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus, that is X equal to 3 minus here. In case of cyano, it will not cyanido. In case of cyano, chloro, fluoro, it will be oxygen atom. Only oxygen atom will added at the end. So our name of the compound is this.